I said the passage is said that why do people prefer open defecation and not want toilets? मतलब वो ओपन डिफिकेशन करना चाहते हैं, टॉयलेट्स नहीं चाहिए. इफ दे हैव देम ओनली यूज देम समटाइम्स. यदि उनके पास है तो समटाइम्स. एक फिल्म भी आया था, कौन सा था? Recent research has shown two critical elements, ideas of purity and pollution. Yes or not? एक तो pollution है और साथ साथ में ये क्या है? Purity की बात है. Yes or not? And not wanting pits or septic tank to fill because they have to be emptied. अब ये तो काम करना ही होगा. यदि भरता है तो there are several, I said that motor vehicles are there, they will come and then create a pressure, change in the pressure and they will empty your tank. वो तो आपको कराना ही पड़ेगा. Yes or not? And then the ideas of purity and pollution and not wanting pits or septic tank to fill because they have to be empty. These are the issues that nobody wants to बात ही नहीं करना चाहते हैं. But if we want to eradicate the practice of open defecation, यदि मुझे open defecation free करना है तो they have to be confronted and dealt properly. तो समझ में आ रहा होगा main idea. The ideas of purity, first one I said that ideas of purity and pollution are so deep rooted that they cannot be removed from the minds of the people. क्या ये है? नहीं है. ये पैसेज में तो है ही नहीं. deep rooted कहाँ है? किसने बोला? cannot इसका मतलब हो ही नहीं सकता. removed. People have to perceive toilet use, उनको अपने perceive करना toilet use and pit emptying as a clean and not polluting. इसका मतलब उनको करना होगा ये सब. तो ये लग रहा है. People cannot change their old habits. ये कहाँ बोला कि they are stubborn, they cannot change their, what I said that, habits of it. वो तो simply बोला कि only use that sometimes and they are not doing because they are not ready to what? Empty. People have neither civic sense nor sense of, ये कब बोला इसमें कि privacy और कहाँ? So it is not part of it नहीं है तो ये तो हटा ही देना है. So the option is only B. शायद आपको ये भी main idea, crucial message, central idea समझ में आने लग गया है. All of you started getting how to deal with this? Yes? So, I said people have to perceive toilet use and pit emptying as cleaning and not polluting. तो आपको शायद you have been very much clear